My name is designer Nahal Ahammed from Artystry Designs, Calicut, Kerala. Today I will be discussing our project The Lush Life, which is across a plot of 2,770 square feet located away from the city of Calicut. When our client, Mr. Shafir, approached us, all he wanted was a minimal, contemporary dwelling that complements its topography, yet is a stark surprise from its surroundings. We wanted to bring up a unique and modern design that exudes throughout the house. Towering palm trees and lush tropical foliage surround the edifice. With its spotless white walls, an open roof, and a green screen. The green screen is terracotta cam jalis painted in green color to bring in as much light and uniqueness to the external surface. The linear arrangement of various zones inside the house ensures continuous airflow and ample sunlight in every room, set against a calming neutral palette. The interiors are crafted in soft wooden tones of plywood, mica, veneers, and wood drapers that were custom designed by us to accommodate the client's needs. The living room has a cozy black sofa facing the television which rests upon a wooden console. We try to keep minimal accents and decor pieces to keep the area clutter-free. The dining area combines the use of industrial elements and materials that creates a simple visual narrative set against the backdrop of modern aesthetics. A striking industrial concept light fixture poses as a pleasing focal point here. To balance the strong design elements, the space uses textured wallpaper, Italian marble flooring, and contemporary 6-seater custom designing table with a Korean tabletop and stylish chairs to match. Traditional window bay attached to the dining opens up to the lush, tropical view that frames the residence. A standalone wash area is set close to the dining area. Complementing the dining space is a staircase built with metal sheets and solid wood treads. We wanted to make the stairs as thin as possible to give a spacious feeling in the dining area. We finalized to use metal sheets of thickness 12 mm. Upstairs, the spatial corridors is brought to life by the charming hanging industrial lighting bolted against a wooden base. For the master bedroom, a solid wooden bed with attached side tables are used and is offset by the soft textured rug at its base. Juxtaposing the subtle theme is a textured, deep-hued wallpaper that adds more depth and dimension to the room. For the guest bedroom, a green textured wallpaper runs across the wall above the vertical wooden slated headboard and attached mirror. Following the minimal industrial theme is a pendant lighting. The sleek and contemporary kitchen includes plywood and mica laminate cabinets and marble backsplash tiles. We could make the most out of it as we thought.